10 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0 0, 4 times 1 4, 4 times 2 8, 4 times 3 12, 4 times 4 16, 4 times 5 20. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20. Now look, 4 goes into this one how many times? 0 times, because 1 is less than 4. So 0 times 4 0, subtract 1, bring down this 0. So now we have 10. 4 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times 12, which is greater 2 times 8, right? 2 times 4 8, subtract, you are getting 2. So your answer is 0 2 means 0, so 2 remainder 2. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then what will happen? Just convert this whole number into a decimal number, taking decimal and adding any number of 0. Bring down the first 0, but before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 5 times, right? 5 times 4 20, subtract 0, your remainder is 0. So your answer is 2.5.